Hi YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So, carrying on with the Elceram Nitride videos, we're going to look at the maintenance menu, which could be quite useful for you guys when you're racing, keeping a track on what you've actually done maintenance schedule wise. So, let's bring in for a close-up look, see how we get on with this. So, once again, press and hold both the buttons for 2 seconds, or less than 2 seconds. It'll get us into his menus. We can flick through this, and then we get onto the maintenance screen. Now, it's quite useful and it does have a good few options. So you press and hold to edit it. We can then press plus. You can have a silent menu, a silent maintenance tracking, so it literally you just have to go in here, or you can have it so it's on and it will give you a beep or a warning when it's hit the maintenance schedule. So then we can click next. You can go through, we've got bearings, tyres, dampers, diffs, and then you've got A, B, C, D, E, F and G checks. So we can set that to bearings. Next, you've got the actual screen what shows you what you're actually measuring this time over. So we've got this in minutes. So it can be 1,000 or 5 minutes, and you can just drop down through this. And you've got a whole load of them that you can choose from. So depending on how many minutes you want this to run, it does jump up in steps once you get above 20, I believe. And then we can go up to 30. Then it starts jumping in bigger steps. But you can either set it in minutes, or you can change it to distance. But I think basically the most useful one is to have it set in minutes, because you know it's 5-minute race. And then you can just work your way down and you can set multiple ones of them. But it's just a good way of tracking the actual run time what you've had between services. Definitely something that would come in useful. If you want to pause it, you can. Or you can go in and you can just zero it out. And then you can just turn it to paused. And it's just gone all together. But yeah, useful little way of tracking how many minutes runtime you've done or distance. But yeah, basically I think the most usable one on this is the minutes. Because it's usually how you measure most race things, not distance. I know most trials bikes and things like that, you measure it in hours of run time rather than try and work out distance. It's usually the best way of doing maintenance. So I think on mine, I'm just going to run it on minutes and do it that way so I can see how long I've run. But yeah, that's the maintenance menu. So let's wrap this one up. So there you have it, the maintenance menu on the Elceram Nitride SC. Not really sure how much the distance one's gonna be. I know on one of the downloads what I've done, it does kind of explain that so many thousand turns at motor is roughly a 5-minute race, but I think mainly being able to measure it in minutes is going to be far more useful for most people. But thanks again for watching Wtf Rc Cars. Hopefully you find that useful, entertaining. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And I'll catch you guys again in the next one.